Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best insights on everyday products. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best baked goods storage solution on the market. The Rubbermaid Brilliance Large Food Storage Container, 9.6 cup. Now, if you're someone who bakes often or just loves keeping leftovers fresh without the mess, this container might just become your new kitchen essential. Let's get into it. So what makes this container stand out in a sea of food storage options? For starters, the material. It's made from durable, crystal-clear Triton plastic, which is not only lightweight but also stain and odor resistant. That means your carrot cake, chocolate brownies, or freshly baked bread won't leave any lingering smells or unsightly stains inside the container. And since it's clear, you always know what's inside without opening it. Let's talk capacity. The 9.6 cup size is perfect, not too big, not too small. It's ideal for holding a loaf of banana bread, a batch of cookies, or even slices of cake. The dimensions and structure are designed to maximize space while keeping your baked goods intact, with no unnecessary squishing or crumbling. But the real magic is in the lid. Rubbermaid has engineered this container with a leak-proof design and secure latches. That's right. You can fill this with your frosting-covered pastries, snap the lid on, and confidently transport it to a bake sale or picnic without a single drop or smear escaping. And if you're reheating something with icing or glaze, there are built-in vents under the latches. Pop them open and microwave your treats without the usual splatter. Your microwave stays clean, and your food heats evenly. Another feature worth noting is the airtight seal. This ensures your cookies stay crisp, muffins stay moist, and everything stays fresh longer. It's also stackable, which is a game changer if you're tight on pantry or fridge space. You can easily store multiple containers without the fear of tipping or clutter. Of course, maintenance is always a concern with kitchenware, but here's the best part. The Rubbermaid Brilliance container is dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and microwave safe. That's triple convenience. No need to hand wash, no need to transfer food to another container to freeze, and no need to guess if it'll warp in the microwave. This product is also BPA-free, which gives peace of mind to anyone concerned about food safety. It's built for real kitchens and real people, whether you're meal prepping or storing last night's freshly baked apple pie. So, how much does this level of quality cost? Right now, you can grab it at a great value, 52% off its list price. It's available for just $9.59, with additional shipping and import charges if you're outside the US, like in India. Still, for the durability and thoughtful design you're getting, it's an investment that pays off in freshness, convenience, and peace of mind. To sum it up, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Large Food Storage Container does exactly what it promises. It keeps your baked goods and other foods fresh, secure, and easy to handle. From the airtight seal to the smart lid design, it's clear why this container has become a kitchen favorite. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Got a product you want us to review? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.